Welcome to the virtual training course on Quality Control and Inspection. In today's video, we will focus on Lesson 2, Principles of Quality Control and Inspection. In this video, you will learn what is quality control or QC, what is inspection, the three pillars of quality control, inspection standards and AQL, also known as acceptable quality level, the key roles in the QC system, QC tools used in the garment industry, the benefits of a strong QC system, and the challenges you may face while implementing QC. Let's get started. What is quality control? Quality control, or QC, is the process of checking and verifying product quality at different stages of production. The goal is to prevent defects, not just find them. QC ensures that the finished product meets customer expectations and specifications. For example, if a QC inspector finds a stitch issue during the sewing stage, the problem can be stopped early, preventing mass defects later. What is inspection? Inspection is a step-by-step check to identify and record defects. Inspections are carried out at different stages, such as the raw material stage, like fabric and trims, inline or during production, and endline, which is the final stage after production but before shipment. The three pillars of quality control are 1. Prevention, stop defects before they happen. 2. Detection, identify defects during production. 3. Correction, fix root causes and improve future performance. Inspection standards and AQL. AQL, or acceptable quality level, defines how many defects are acceptable in a shipment. Inspections are done using sampling plans. For example, checking 80 pieces out of 500. Defects are classified as critical, dangerous or unacceptable, such as a sharp object in a garment. Major, affects function or appearance, like broken stitching. Minor, small issues that don't affect function, such as a loose thread. Example: if a buyer allows an AQL of 2.5, then only 5 major defects are acceptable in 80 checked pieces. Key roles in the QC system. The QC inspector, who performs checks and reports defects. The production team, who are responsible for making the product correctly. Supervisors and managers, who analyze reports, take action, and train staff. And finally, the customer or buyer, who sets quality expectations and tolerances. Some common QC tools include checklists, customized for product type, measuring tapes, scales, and defect boards, fabric inspection machines, and inspection reports, daily or weekly. Here's a real-world tip. Always carry a checklist and a defect reference sheet during inspections. A strong QC system provides many benefits, such as fewer rejections from buyers, lower rework and waste, on-time deliveries, higher customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement in processes. Challenges in implementing QC. Of course, QC also comes with challenges, such as lack of training or awareness, poor communication between departments, pressure to meet production targets, and incomplete or inaccurate inspections. Some solutions include conducting regular QC training, using simple QC standard operating procedures, and encouraging teamwork between production and QC teams. Let's summarize what we learned today. QC and inspection are essential for ensuring product quality. AQL, checklists, and teamwork are key to success. And in our next lesson, we will explore fabric inspection, methods, tools, and defects. You'll learn how to check raw fabrics before they go into production. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you are enjoying this training course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next lesson.